Hello, this is your boy McGill for the Mobile Mechanic 757. If you're driving any kind of Chevys with this Ecotec engine and you're wondering why your engine fan is extremely high and you have an AC error, if you can get into your diagnostic machine and click on live data, what you are looking for is the engine coolant temperature sensor. On this vehicle, it says it's 104 degrees. That is impossible. It is only 80 something degrees outside today and the car hasn't been on. So I'm going to show you what it does when it's correct. So bear with me, I have one hand. I'm going to reach over here, unplug the old sensor. I'm just going to unplug it, nothing less, nothing more. I'm going to take the new sensor and plug it in. And right now it says minus 40 because there's nothing plugged in there. So if this is going to work correctly, it will be what's outside. And what do you know? This says 86 degrees. So once I put this in, the car is going to stop acting like this. And I'm going to show you what the car does when this sensor is not working. It's extremely common. I'm doing this live with one hand. Please work with me. So I'm going to take the sensor, unplug it. It has to go in the thermostat housing, but I was just showing you it is a very easy diagnostic thing to do. So unplug it. Now bear with me. And it should say minus 40 because I have it in my hand. And I'm going to show you what the car is going to do. Is extremely loud, so you're not going to hardly hear me talking. But what you're going to see is going to say the AC is completely off and the fans are going to be blaring full blast. You can hear the fan. And let me close the hood so you can see the error. You will not have air condition. You'll just have a noisy car saying AC off due to high temperature. That's what is the symptom of a bad coolant sensor. You also look at the ambient temperature sensor. If it is saying the wrong temperature on the outside of the vehicle, you're going to get the same exact results. So now we're going to magically, it is not installed because I haven't done that yet, but let's magically see if the sensor works. I'm going to magically plug it in and let's see how the car reacts magically. Same car. That is impossible. It says 84 degrees. Let's find out. There's something else going on. All right, so now we got to find out the second part of what's going on. I'll get back with you in part 2.